Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see that how to take screenshot using our script of Selenium WebDriver with Java. Okay, so in order to take screenshot we have a takes screenshot interface, and using the classes in that particular interface we can take the screenshot. So first let me move to the Selenium WebDriver Java docs. Okay, and then we can move to all classes, right? Here let me search, I'm pressing Control F and then I have to search screenshot. Okay, so these are 1 out of 4. So here we have the takes screenshot interface. So let me click over it and you can see that we have the interface takes screenshot, right? So you can see here that first we have to create file class object. So we have named it screenshot file, and then we need to write this particular script in order to take screenshot. Okay, so simply copy this particular statement, and now let me move to my script. So for example, we need to go to the ebay.com and then we need to take screenshot, right? So let me paste that particular script over here. So you can see that we have first invoke the Chrome browser, and then we have moved to ebay.com, and then we are taking the screenshot of the ebay.com, right? So let me first import as told by the script. So import output type and take screenshot and file class also, right? So we have imported everything. So what does this line mean? So this is the file class and we are creating the object of the file class, and then we are providing the takes screenshot interface which takes a driver reference, and then we are using the method get screenshot as. Okay, and then the output type is also file, right? So the output type will be a file. So now let me save this particular script and then run the script. Okay, and show you that we are unable to look at the screenshot. Where did it take the screenshot? Okay, so it took the screenshot but you cannot see it. Okay, so in order to see the screenshot, so what do I mean by seeing the screenshot is that in your project somewhere or the other a folder should be created so that you can see the particular screenshot, right? Because we are in the locator01 package and we are using this particular class operations from it.java, right? So here we are writing our script and nowhere we can see a folder created as screenshot. So where do you find your screenshot? So for this we have to import another utility. So what that utility is, let me show you. Maven repository, let me move here and search here Apache Commons, right? So you have to import this Apache Commons IO utility and paste it in your paste that dependency in your pom.xml file. So copy this particular dependency, Control C, and move to your script, and this is our Maven project and this is the pom.xml file. Here I'm pasting the particular dependency, right? So saving the particular script, and you can see here that it was building, right? So it's building and it built, right? So if you want to see, you can move to Maven dependencies in your project and you can see here you can see commons.io 2.11.0 jar, right? So it has successfully been imported, and now let me move to our script, and then we need to write here file utils, and this is a class, and then we need to use the method copy file, right? So and then we need to provide the source file and then the destination, right? So let me remove this. Okay, let me type it once again. I think that there's a mistake. File utils dot copy file, and this particular method source file and the destination. So the source file is the screenshot file in which our screenshot will be stored, right? And we need to provide the destination. So let me provide the destination. So in order to provide the destination, again we need to create new file, and then we need to create a folder, right? So why I have done this new file, I'll tell you. So putting double inverted commas, and then let me create a folder as screenshot, and then screen.png will be the file, right? So we are creating a png file so that we can view it, right? So let me add throws declaration. Okay, yeah, so saving the particular script, and now when I'll run the script, you will see a screenshot folder being created and our screenshot being saved in that particular folder, right? So again, ebay.com opened, and this is the view, right? So just have a memory of this particular view, and I'm closing the script, and let me refresh our package. So refreshing it, and you can see a screenshot folder coming over here, and when I'm opening it, we can see screen.png. So you can see that this is our particular screenshot, right? So this is how we take screenshot in our Selenium WebDriver script, but we have a problem. What's the problem? Let me show you. If again I will run the script, it will open the ebay.com, and again it will take the screenshot. Let me show you. Let the script run. Okay, ebay.com opened, and see, memorize this particular view, right? Memorize this particular view. I'm minimizing it, and let me refresh this particular package, and you can see that it took the screenshot, but it was not able to override the previous screenshot. Okay, so how to avoid this? I want that as many times as I take the screenshot, a separate png file should be created, right? So how to avoid this? We will use the date class, and we will see this in the next video, otherwise this video will be very long. So keep revising this concept. We will meet in the next video with the continuation of this particular concept. Till then,